Hi guys, welcome back to Pat's Pet Show. I'm here outside Chouette à voir, which translates to owls to see. It's out in St. Jude here in Quebec. 875 Rang Salve? I think that's how you say it. Now, even though it's called owls, they do have falcons, hawks, a lot of birds of prey here. So I'm going to get to hang out with them for the day. And there's even a silent auction to bid on releasing one of the rehabilitated owls today. So I'm going to see if I could win that cool opportunity to release an owl back into the wild. Thank you so much, guys. Stay tuned.